Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can send money from Wise to UK bank account. It is pretty simple and easy to do. Just click right here in the bottom on the payments tab. Right here, click on the payments, send, and select a currency, so it will be British pounds. You can enter it right here. Then you'll need to add the recipient. So if you only have a bank details, click on the bank details. Here, with your recipient, click on someone else. And here you can select recipient's bank details, local bank account or IBAN or SWIFT code. So select one of those, what you have, and after that, enter their email. It is optional, full name of account holder, UK sort code, account number, and after that you will be able to click on continue button, and then you will be able to select the amount that you want to send and click the send button. So that's pretty much it. Thank you guys and see you in the next one.